Cards, student loans, and your house payments, it's natural to want to dig out of all of that debt. Your biggest burden might be your mortgage. Consumer reporter Jennifer Profit breaks down the pros and cons of paying off your home early.
It would feel good for most of us to be completely debt-free, but a local financial professional says before you start throwing extra money at your mortgage, make sure it's a decision you can really afford.
We want to make sure that there's a good balance there.
As a financial professional, it's Mindy McIntosh's job to help clients balance not only their home payments, but other areas of their financial life as well.
Yes, we want to make sure that you're paying down that mortgage, but we don't necessarily want to say pay off all of that mortgage and forget about investing for your retirement or saving for future.
Here's her thinking. If you're throwing so much money at your mortgage and neglecting an emergency fund or your retirement, you're out of balance.
Yet another little bit of 3 to 6 months of, oops, now I have an auto repair or, some additional home expenses.
However, it might make sense for some people to pay off their house early.
So we're seeing where clients can, if their bank allows them to do a payment every 2 weeks. That way they get an extra month payment at the end of the term.
If you pay every other week, that's 26 payments a year, or 13 full payments instead of the usual 12. According to Dave Ramsey's website, that can knock off 8 years from a 30-year mortgage, depending on the loan's interest rate.
And they just want to make sure that they specify that they want that additional premium payment to go towards their principal.
Some lenders do biweekly payments, some do not. Others allow them but require a fee to initiate that biweekly plan. Another option, refinancing. Let's say you refinance from a 30-year mortgage to a 15-year at a lower interest rate. You're paying more per month, but less in interest.
And then really looking at it, does it make sense to truly refinance to a 15-year? Or do they want to pay a little additional or kind of continue where they're at and put more into their retirement savings?
And Mindy adds, if your interest rate is already low and you don't think it's worth the closing costs to refinance, you could put extra money into your current payments as if you do have a 15-year refinance. Jennifer Profit, Fox 60.